I know how tough it can be to find a reliable photo viewer for Windows 10. I've bought and tested these products, so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Today, I'm sharing my top 5 picks that really stand out in terms of features, usability, and value. Product number 1. Kodak Slide and Scan Film and Slide Scanner. Let me tell you about the Kodak Slide and Scan Film and Slide Scanner. Imagine diving into a treasure chest of old memories, and this device is your key. It features a large 5-inch LCD screen that makes it incredibly easy to view your 35mm, 126, and 110 film negatives and slides. I was amazed at how quickly I could convert my old slides into digital 22MP JPEG photos. What I loved most is the convenience of the easy load film inserts. Just pop in your slides and watch them transform before your eyes. The advanced capture software lets you enhance and edit your photos with the simple press of a button. No complicated settings to navigate, just straightforward functionality that anyone can grasp. Imagine sharing these slides with family and friends during get-togethers, or even using it as a chic digital picture frame in your living room. However, it's not all sunshine. While the scanner does a fantastic job, it requires an SD card that's not included, which is a slight inconvenience. Also, it's a bit bulkier compared to other portable options out there. So why should you buy the Kodak Slide and Scan? If you have a collection of old negatives and slides gathering dust, this scanner is your best bet for preserving those memories in high quality. The ease of use, combined with the ability to save directly to an SD card, makes it an invaluable tool for anyone wanting to digitize their nostalgia. Product number 2. SV3 Slide Viewer. Next up, we have the SV3 35mm Slide and Film Viewer. This little gadget packs a punch with its 3x magnification and LED light, allowing you to see every detail of your slides and negatives. I found it to be incredibly portable. With battery operation, I could carry it around and relive memories wherever I wanted. The clarity was impressive, and the bright, uniform lighting illuminated my old slides beautifully. The user-friendly design is another highlight. The eject button and sliding tray made loading and viewing a breeze. I didn't have to wrestle with complicated settings or worry about damaging my slides. It truly felt like a walk down memory lane, each image popping to life right before my eyes. On the downside, the build quality felt a bit flimsy, and I wished for a bit more durability, especially if you plan on using it often. So why buy the SV3? If you're looking for something simple yet effective for viewing your 35mm slides on the go, this viewer is perfect. It's compact, easy to use, and offers great visual clarity, making it a fantastic choice for anyone wanting to revive old memories. Product number 3. Kodak 35mm Slide Viewer. The Kodak 35mm Slide and Film Viewer is another gem worth considering. With a similar design to the SV3, but at a slightly higher price point, this viewer also features a 3x magnification and ultra-bright LED illumination. I was really impressed with how vividly it brought my old slides back to life, capturing every detail without distortion. What stood out was the dedicated slide slot, which made it super easy to load and view slides instantly. The quick eject button was a lifesaver, allowing me to move from one slide to the next without any hassle. I could easily share memories with family, and it made for a fun evening activity. However, the battery operation could be a drawback for some, since it requires additional purchases for DC cables if you want to use it without batteries. In terms of why you should buy it, if you're after a reliable and easy-to-use viewer that doesn't compromise on image quality, this Kodak model is a solid investment. It's perfect for those who want to revisit and share memories without the fuss. Product number 4. Custom Viewfinder Reel Plus Retro Viewer. Now, let's switch gears with the Custom Viewfinder Reel Plus Retro Viewer. This isn't just a viewer, it's a nostalgia trip packed into a compact device. It allows you to create custom reels by uploading personal photos, making it an incredibly unique gift idea for families or friends. I loved the idea of recording vacations in special moments in this vintage style. The setup was straightforward. I could order a custom reel that captures my favorite moments, and in just 5 business days, I had a tangible piece of nostalgia. The quality of the images was impressive, and the design is playful, making it perfect for both kids and adults. This device is more than a viewer. It's a way to share memories in a fun, engaging format. However, it does have limitations. If you're looking for a high-resolution viewer, this isn't it. The focus is more on the fun and novelty of custom reels than on capturing every detail. So why should you buy the custom viewfinder? If you're in the market for a unique gift or a way to archive your family memories in a fun format, this retro viewer is a fantastic choice. It's engaging, and it offers a personal touch that traditional viewers simply can't match. Product number 5, B1 Global ClearScan Mini Film Scanner. Lastly, we have the B1 Global ClearScan Mini Film Scanner. This compact device caught my eye with its ergonomic design and high-resolution scanning capability. With a 16 megapixel resolution, I was impressed by the clarity of the scanned images. It feels like they truly captured the essence of my old photos. The convenience of saving directly to an SD card made the whole process hassle-free. I could scan my 135 and 126 films in seconds, and the built-in editing options allowed me to tweak brightness and colors before saving. This feature gave me control over my memories, allowing me to enhance them just the way I wanted. On the downside, the screen size is a bit smaller compared to others, which can make editing slightly challenging. Also, the buttons are placed quite closely, which might be tricky for those with larger hands. So why buy the B1 Global ClearScan Mini? If you want a portable, easy-to-use scanner that delivers high-quality scans and allows for some editing on the go, this is a great pick. It's perfect for anyone wanting to digitize their film collections without breaking the bank. In conclusion, each of these photo viewers has its unique features and strengths. Whether you're looking for portability, ease of use, or high-quality scanning, there's something on this list for everyone. Investing in one of these products will definitely help you preserve and enjoy your treasured memories.